reproduction in organism. What is the basic concept of the reproduction? The definition of reproduction, modes of reproduction, and the different types of the reproduction. What are the learning objectives? Learns the significance of asexual reproduction and the types of the different types of the asexual reproduction, and the significance of sexual reproduction, and realize and understand the role of sexual reproduction and its role of evolution. Now, what is a reproduction? Living organism shows a life cycle involving growth, birth, development, maturation, reproduction, and death. So, every living organism begins their life from birth and death, leads to death. So, some of the certain features are there. So, the reproduction is the fundamental features of all living organisms. It increases the population, and reproduction is the biological process. What is the reproduction? All living organisms produce young ones. That young ones again mature and grow and mature, repeat this process. Hence, the reproduction result in the continuation of the species, and introduce the variation or differences among the organisms. This is very essential for adaptation and evolution of their own kind. Now, we are going to know about the modes of the reproduction. So, the reproduction have some essential features. So, they are the synthesis of the DNA and proteins, replication of the DNA, growth, cell division, formation of certain reproductive units, and the fertilization process to form new individuals. What are the types of or modes of reproduction? There are two types of reproduction. One is asexual reproduction, another one is sexual reproduction. What is asexual reproduction? This type of reproduction, the young ones are produced by a single parent without involvement of the gametes, or it may be reproductive cells. Only a single parent can produce young ones without involvement of the gametes like sperm or it may be egg. This asexual reproduction are produced by either amitosis or it may be mitosis. What is amitosis and mitosis? It is a kind of cell division. Amitosis is otherwise called a direct cell division without involving the chromosomal changes. The division of the nucleus and the division of the cytoplasm. This is called amitosis or mitosis. This asexual reproduction takes place in the somatic cells of the organism. What is the somatic cells? The somatic cells are the non-reproductive cells. All the somatic cells of our body having diploid set of the chromosome. The nucleus, this is the nucleus undergoes divides to produces two individuals. So, these are young ones are produced by single parent or it may be single cells. So, these two cells are same to that of parent, that are asexual reproduction result in genetically identical organism are produced. That is very important. What is the genetically identical? It is a similar individuals are produced. There is no variation in the young ones between the parent and the young ones. So, this is called as asexual reproduction. This takes place in the somatic cells. Hence, these asexual reproduction otherwise called as somatogenic or otherwise called blastogenic. Somatogenic or otherwise blastogenic reproduction. Somato means what is it? Body cells. It takes place in the body cells. What is called sexual reproduction? The sexual reproduction occur by two parents. The two parents are union or they produces gametes. So, this kind of reproduction, involvement of the two different gametes, because two individual, one individual is male, another individual is female. This male individual always produces sperm, that is male gamete. Female individual always produces ova or eggs. The fusion of these two gametes is called fertilization. Fusion of these two gametes is called fertilization. After fertilized eggs are developed into young ones. So this is a sexual reproduction. The sexual reproduction are offsprings or young ones produced by two parents. Hence this is called as biparental reproduction. Bi means two parent. This is called a uniparental reproduction. This is biparental, this is a uniparental reproduction. So what are the different modes of the asexual reproduction? These are widespread in different organisms. Commonly these are found in Protista, bacteria and archaea. You know that is what is a Protista? Protista, it is a larger group of organisms, animals, which includes alga and mold and other unicellular forms like protozoan, all are Protista. You know what is a bacteria? Bacteria are the unicellular microorganism. That means it is a prokaryotes. What is the archaea? Archaea. What is the meaning of the archaea? It is a special kind of the single-celled organism similar to bacteria, but they have own mechanism. There is an intermediate between the bacteria and the eukaryotic organism or the archaea. So these are the certain organism which shows the asexual reproduction. So offsprings of the asexual reproduction are uniparental inheritance because they can be produced by single parents. What are the different types of the asexual reproduction? Fission, budding, gemmil formation, fragmentation, regeneration. So these are the different types of the asexual reproduction. What are the four types of the fission? Again the fission reproduction again divided into four types. One is called binary fission. Second one is multiple fission. Third one is sporulation. Fourth one is stropulation. So these are types of the fission. Fission again classified into four types: binary fission, multiple fission, sporulation and stropulation. What is called fission? Fission means splitting. Fission means what is it? Split. One organism is split into two organisms, two young ones, or one nucleus divides into two nucleus or more nucleus. More individuals are formed. This is called as fission. But what is the meaning of binary fission? The parent body divides into similar type of identical daughter cells. How many identical daughter cells? There are two identical daughter cells are formed. Hence the name is called binary fission. Bi means a single parent produces or separate or divides into two alls. Each alls are developed into two young ones or two individuals is called binary fission. What is called multiple fission? That is parent body divides two or more daughter individuals from a single parent is called multiple fission. What is called sporulation? The specialized spore cells are formed. Within these spore cells, the nucleus divides and produce young ones. They are sporulation. What is called stropulation? It is one kind of special type. Is called as stropulation. Now we are going to know about the types of the binary fission. In general, all organisms in binary fission, a single parent body divides into two individuals or two daughter cells. The binary fission again classified into four types: simple irregular binary fission, transverse binary fission, longitudinal binary fission, oblique binary fission. These are commonly seen in protozoan animals, amoeba. Amoeba are the irregular shaped organism. Amoeba is immortal because a parent body remains there. A parent body divides into two daughter cells. Here, how this takes place? The simple irregular binary fission in amoeba. These are the parent body, parent amoeba. This is a nucleus. These are contractile vacuole, and a substance present here This is hyaline area. What is hyaline? It is a transparent watery substance. Transparent watery substance is called hyaline. It is made up of hyaloplasm. So these are the adult amoeba. That is a parent amoeba. How this undergoes the binary fission? So this amoeba reduce its pseudopodia, because these false feet are called, this is a pseudopodia. During this process, reduce the size of the pseudopodia. The nucleus undergoes divides into twos or splitting of the nucleus, and the disintegration of the contractile vacuole and nucleoli. The nucleus containing nucleoli or nucleolus and contractile vacuole. At the beginning stage of binary fission, the nucleus are enlarged and elongated. The contractile vacuole and nucleoli undergoes disintegrate or disappear. Again this nucleus, the nucleus are divides or it may be elongated. It containing chromosomes. Contains chromosomes. So again this parent body is formed. The nuclear division is occur. The division of the nuclei. This is the division of nucleus. Division of the nucleus. This is otherwise called as karyokinesis. Karyokinesis. The division of the nucleus is called karyokinesis, followed by a constriction is formed at the middle. Constriction is formed at the middle. Again the nucleus is completely divided into two, but the cytoplasm is divides after the division of the nuclei. This is called division of cytoplasm. Division of cytoplasm. This is otherwise called as cytokinesis. Cytokinesis. Here I repeat, the binary fission, there are two important events takes place. First process is called karyokinesis, because what is karyokinesis? The nucleus of the parent body divides mitotically or amitotically. The karyokinesis means division of the nucleus. One nucleus divides into two nucleus, is followed by division of the cytoplasm. This is otherwise called cytokinesis. Here the two individuals are formed, but the constriction is formed at the middle areas. The second process is called cytokinesis. Again this produces two daughter amoeba. Again they produce two daughter amoeba. It contains nucleus, ras nucleus and other cell organelle. That means reappearance of the contractile vacuole. Reappearance of contractile vacuole. These two individuals are daughter. These two individuals are daughter amoebae. Daughter individuals. So this a parent body undergoes various stages, can produce or separate two halls, and two daughter amoeba is formed. So what is the significance of this simple irregular binary fission? This takes place in the, this occurs in the amoeba, because amoeba is irregular shaped organism. The parent body containing all the cell organelles, during the first stage pseudopodia reduce its size. The division occur in the nucleus. The one nucleus or divides into two nucleus. This is called karyokinesis. Again the constriction is formed at the middle. Immediately the cytoplasm or divides into two. This is called division of cytoplasm. This is otherwise called as cytokinesis. As a result of this, two daughter amoeba is formed. This is known as simple irregular binary fission. The transverse binary fission, the parent body divides mitotically into two daughter cells. It is a similar type of daughter cells, but it occurs in the transverse axis. These are commonly seen in paramecium. This kind of binary fission is commonly seen in the paramecium. The paramecium, you know that This is a unicellular protozoans. The body is covered by hair-like cilia. Hair-like cilia. These is a contractile vacuole. You know what is the role of contractile vacuole? Which helps in the excretion and osmoregulation. It has two nucleus. One is large nucleus. One is large nucleus. Another one is smaller nucleus. At the outer surface is oral groove. Oral groove. So this is called the cytopharynx. The first nucleus is macronucleus. Macronucleus. The second nucleus is micronucleus. Micronucleus. These are actually, this is an adult paramecium. At beginning stage, it undergoes the transverse binary fission. The oral grooves are disappear. During this stage, oral groove disappear. The nucleus, that means the division of the macronucleus and the division of the micronucleus. Macronucleus and the micronucleus. The macronucleus dividing or divides amitotically. Amitotically. The micronucleus divides, it divides mitotically. It has two nucleus. Because here the nucleus or take part is very important. That is the micronucleus and also the macronucleus are divides into two types. Again the third stage, immediately the constriction is formed at the middle. It is a transverse axis. Hence the name is called transverse binary fission. This kind of division occur at the transverse axis of individuals. Listen here. The transverse axis is occur. Now the new oral grooves are formed here. This is the new oral groove are appear, are forming. Here it is another oral grooves are formed. Here new oral groove. Oral grooves. Grooves means a small depression is forming. Here the contractile vacuole also, it may be divides. All these structures are divides. Here there are two individuals are formed. One daughter cells are divides into one parent body or divides into two daughter cells. As a result of this formed two daughter cells are formed. This is a oral groove. Oral groove. Here it is a contractile vacuole. Contractile vacuole. The nucleus also it is a divides. Here it is larger nucleus. Another one is smaller nucleus. That means macronucleus. This is micronucleus. Here is a macronucleus. Next one is micronucleus. Micronucleus. So the listen here, which one is very important this kind of division? The nucleus or divides. There are two division, amitotic and mitotic divisions. This both nucleus or divides one nucleus into two nucleus. Again the constriction or formed or fission is formed the transverse position or transverse axis. This is called as, this is fission point. Fission point. This animal undergoes the constriction very deep. The one parent body is divides into two young ones. These are called as young paramecia. Young paramecia. Okay. So this is the transverse binary fission that occurs in the paramecium. What this division is occur transverse position. The division of the macronucleus and the micronucleus, mitosis and amitosis, one parent body is divides into two young ones. Okay. The third type of the binary fission, is that is longitudinal binary fission. Longitudinal binary fission. These are commonly seen in two animal. One is Vorticella and Euglena. Vorticella and Euglena. Here, listen here. This is a Euglena. It is a unicellular organism. The locomotory organ is the flagellum. Flagellum. A single flagellum is present. Here it is the nucleus. Nucleus or nuclear body. Nucleus is containing chromosomes. Here where the division takes place, the longitudinal axis. This is the longitudinal axis. How this takes place? Here that during the first stage, the Euglena undergoes, this only one flagella is there. Here it is a two flagella is formed. Two flagella formed. Here basal granule. One basal granules are divided into two basal granules. Again the division of the nucleus. This division of the nucleus is called karyokinesis. Followed by division of the cytoplasm. It undergoes here it is a one flagellum, this other flagellum, this is a basal granule, another basal granules. The deep constriction of the one nucleus into two nucleus. These are the chromosome and other structure. Again, at the last stage or end of this division, how many young Euglena is formed? There are two Euglena is formed. This is a one type. This is the another type. Two Euglena is formed. Each daughter cells retaining only one flagellum and one basal granule. And one nucleus, it retaining one nucleus. This is the nucleus. Again, it contains one basal granules and one flagellum. So this is the type of binary fission. This is called longitudinal binary fission. Because this fission takes place at the middle of the body, a parent body is divided into two because of division of the nucleus followed by division of the cytoplasm, that is karyokinesis. Another one is called cytokinesis. So the basal granule is very important. It divides into two. At the stage of daughter cells formed, one young Euglena retaining one basal granules. The flagellum is formed from the basal granules. Another daughter individual retaining one basal granules and one flagellum. So these are commonly seen in Vorticella. Another one is Euglena. These are the some protista organism. The next fourth type. The fourth type is oblique binary fission. Oblique binary fission. These are commonly seen in dinoflagellates. Dinoflagellates, for example, Ceratium. Why it is called as oblique? Because the division is occur in slanting position. The body of this animal this is Ceratium, or it is commonly called as dinoflagellate. Here it is called as fission point. This is a nucleus. It has two flagella, hence the name is called dinoflagellates. So the division is occur in the slanting position or oblique position, hence the name is called as oblique binary fission. The oblique binary fission commonly seen in dinoflagellate, for example, Ceratium. Tell what is it? Ceratium. So okay, there are 4 types of the binary fission is completed. Now the second type is multiple fission. What is the definition of multiple fission? A parent body divides into many similar individuals. So because multiple means what? Many. A nucleus splitting into more than 2. Hence it is called as multiple fission. So the parent body, for example, this is a parent body. It has nucleus. This is a cytoplasm. Here it is a cytoplasm. The first division occurs in the nucleus. Simultaneously. First the nucleus are dividing repeatedly into many. So here it is a second stage. One nucleus are divides into many nuclei. This nuclei is called daughter nuclei. I repeat, the nucleus repeatedly divided into many nuclei simultaneously without the division of the cytoplasm. The nuclear division first takes place, followed by the cytoplasm. Again, the cytoplasm, this is a cytoplasm, is a divides into many parts that equal number of the nucleus. Here it is the cytoplasm, next nucleus. The cytoplasm again divides into equal number of the nucleus. For example, one nucleus divides into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This followed by the division of the cytoplasm into 8. So this all the cytoplasmic part encircle one daughter nucleus. This can produce as 2 or many individuals are formed. Here this is a one daughter nucleus, another daughter nucleus. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 8 daughter nucleus are formed. But one nucleus or one parent body divides into many nuclei. Each nucleus are encircled by the cytoplasm, small amount of cytoplasm. These are equal division of the nucleus and the cytoplasm, so that each nucleus are formed into young ones are individuals. If the multiple fission that takes place, the division of the nucleus and the cytoplasm in equal number, this do not separate the young individuals until the process is complete. The young individuals or young ones do not come out. It is always present within this structure. So this is otherwise called as repeated fission. This kind of fission is called repeated fission. These are commonly seen in Vorticella. It is a unicellular protozoans. So what is it? Again, one nucleus divides into many nucleus. Nucleus are surrounded by the cytoplasm. So each one produces many daughter individuals are formed. This takes place repeatedly. That is a equal number of the division of nucleus and the cytoplasm. These are otherwise called repeated fission. This takes place in the Vorticella. Next, the multiple fission takes place in the or occur in the Plasmodium. What is Plasmodium? Plasmodium is called a malarial parasite. Malarial parasite. Plasmodium is a malarial parasite. In malarial parasite, there are two stages are there. One stage is zygont. Another stage is oocyte. There are in life cycle of Plasmodium have two cycle is there. One is called the zygont stage and oocyte stage. The zygont stage is called as zygogony. The oocyte stage is called as sporogony. Sporogony. Sporogony otherwise called a sexual stage that it takes place in the body of mosquito, female Anopheles mosquito. Zygogony is called a asexual stage that occurs in the body of man. The young ones or daughter individuals are formed from the zygogony are called as merozoites. Merozoite. Listen again, it is very important. Zygogony produces many daughter individuals. They are called as merozoite. Again, the sporogony produces many daughter individuals. They are called as sporozoite. Sporozoite. It is the same that of multiple fission, but after the rupturing of the wall, immediately many sporozoites are comes out. Many sporozoite are comes out. These are merozoite or it may be sporozoites. So this same process that it takes place, but it is not a repeated fission, that it takes place in the Plasmodium, life cycle of the Plasmodium. So if it is zygogony produces merozoite, sporogony produces daughter individual, they are called as sporozoite in Plasmodium. So already we know binary fission and multiple fission. Multiple fission both are in amoeba. Yes, takes place in the amoeba. During unfavorable condition, amoeba withdraw its pseudopodia. Normally the amoeba is made up of false speed is called pseudopodia. Pseudopodia. This takes place during unfavorable condition. Unfavorable conditions. What is unfavorable condition? The climatic condition like temperature or food sources not suitable for survival. This condition is called unfavorable condition. Immediately this amoeba lost its pseudopodia. It is a special structure. So immediately withdraw its pseudopodia. It secrete 3-layered protective chitinous layer. 3-layered chitinous protective layer is called a cyst wall. Cyst wall. This takes place during unfavorable condition. This process of formation of the cyst wall around the nucleus or parent body, this is called as encystment. During this stage, it is a remain inactive stage or sleeping state. So this is the nucleus. This occur during the unfavorable conditions. So the nucleus are divides by multiple fission. It produces many daughter nuclei. During the stage, the nucleus are divides into many. These are protective, cyst wall are there, 3-layer cyst wall. These are all nuclei are daughter nuclei. All nucleus are daughter nucleus. This daughter nucleus are very minute. These all daughter nucleus are otherwise called pseudopodiospore. Pseudopodiospore. Under the favorable condition, this takes place under the unfavorable condition. During favorable conditions, the cyst wall is breaks. Cyst walls are breaks up, because during this stage the cyst absorb the water and breaks off all pseudopodiospore. All pseudopodiospore. These are called as pseudopodiospore. During the favorable condition, the cyst wall breaks and liberate the young minute pseudopodiospore and comes out. Each pseudopodiospore is minute. Each pseudopodiospore have minute pseudopodia. This is a pseudopodiospore comes out. Immediately the young amoeba with minute pseudopodia is present. This is the young. But each pseudopodios can produce many daughter individuals. These are only one pseudopodiospore. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 young amoeba is formed. So the main concept of this is single nucleus or parent body divides many daughter individuals. This takes place during the unfavorable condition. This young amoeba, they grow and feed rapidly and lead to independent life. Listen here, the multiple fission that takes place, that occurs in the amoeba, they are called as sporulation in amoeba. What is sporulation? The pseudopodial structure, these are the nucleus. Nucleus are divides into many fragments. This undergoes many young ones are formed without encystment. This is very important. Without encystment. This also takes place during the unfavorable condition, but no cyst walls are formed. During the stage, the nucleus divides into many fragments. The nucleus are divides into many fragments. These are fragments. The fragments otherwise called as chromatin blocks. Chromatin blocks are structure. It is a minute structure. Immediately, this each fragments, that means nucleus surrounded by the nuclear membrane and the cytoplasm. Nuclear membrane and the cytoplasm. But this nuclear membrane, during this stage, this nuclear membrane are disintegrate. This nuclear membrane are disintegrate. Disintegrate means disappear. It produces many fragments or daughter nucleus are formed. This is the daughter nuclei. What is the special this type of the fission? Again, the nucleus surrounded by the nuclear membrane and the cytoplasm, it is formed a specialized structure around the nucleus is spore. This is a spore formation. This is a nucleus and the nuclear membrane cytoplasm is there. Again, around the nucleus, a specialized structure is formed. This is called spore case or spore. Here, all these are surrounded by the spore case. So these individuals are spore case. Again, during the favorable condition, the spore comes out. The specialized structure is called a spore case. This is the nucleus. The structure is the spore case. Under the favorable condition, the young amoeba is formed from the spore case. This is the nucleus, is cytoplasm and the pseudopodia. But before the young amoeba is formed, it is well protected by the spore case as specialized cells. So this nucleus can be developed into young ones or many daughter individuals. This is one, each spore case are developed into young ones or young or daughter amoeba is formed. This kind of fission is called as sporulation, spore formation. Sporulation otherwise called as spore formation around the nucleus, but this occur without encystment. But this takes place with the encystment. The structure is called as encystment.